If you're over 55, your morning routine might be aging you, without you even realizing it. Today, we're exposing 3 common habits that millions of older adults do every day, and how they're silently speeding up aging. Number 3 will shock you the most. Let's dive in. Habit number 1. Drinking coffee before water. Drinking coffee first thing in the morning might feel like a must, but it's not helping your aging body. After 55, our hydration levels drop dramatically overnight. Your brain, joints, and organs wake up dehydrated, and hitting them with caffeine immediately, it spikes cortisol, stresses your adrenals, and delays hydration. That dry skin, the aching joints, it might start with your morning coffee habit. What to do instead? Drink at least 1 glass of room temperature water before anything else. Bonus: add a slice of lemon for extra antioxidant benefits. Habit number 2. Hot showers right after waking. Hot showers feel relaxing, but they may be hurting your circulation, especially after 55. When your blood vessels become less flexible, jumping into hot water immediately after waking can cause sudden blood pressure spikes and dizziness. This stress wears on your cardiovascular system. Try switching to lukewarm water for the first minute, then gradually warming it up. You'll protect your heart and still feel refreshed. Habit number 3. Watching the news or scrolling social media. Here's one most people don't think about. Checking the news or scrolling Facebook right after waking up may feel harmless, but it's training your brain to wake up to anxiety. A study from the University of Pennsylvania found that exposure to negative news in the first hour of the day increased stress levels by 27% throughout the day. What to do instead? Spend 5 minutes outside, breathe, move, stretch. Your mood, focus, and even memory will thank you. Let's recap. Skip the coffee for water, go easy on the hot shower, and guard your brain from early negativity. If you're serious about healthy aging, don't miss our free guide in the description, 7 daily habits that add 10 years to your life. Click the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more no-nonsense advice to stay sharp and strong after 55. This is Age 55 Plus, where your health, strength, and independence come first. See you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay smart.